What's up, Wacko Gang? Flacco Wacko here again. So, you guys remember how much snow we got last night? Well, here's a little update. Still blowing out there pretty hard. I can't tell if it's still snowing or that's what's being blown off the ground. Well, this is you guys' last chance to get in before I go for a walk later today. I already have at least 2 subscribers last time I checked. So I gotta go for at least a 2-minute walk through this at some point. So make sure you guys subscribe. Like I said, if I get every subscriber I get on the last 3 videos I made of this, or 4 now, sorry, I will go out for a minute-long walk in this tonight. Well, a minute for every subscriber I get, plus every 100 likes I get. So, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And, we'll see how that goes. Well, hope you guys have a great day. God bless you, God bless America. And try and stay warm.